Igbo Class World, bringing to you all you need to know about traveling, job abroad, and study abroad. Brothers and sisters, there is job opportunity that came up this morning, very quick one and urgent, and is going to expire today. It is unfortunate that I didn't check my mail last night. I told you yesterday and announced that we are now affiliated with many job companies. Please bear with me. I show you a job opportunity. If you are opportune to have every document or credential, or you are qualified, please start to apply. If you are not eligible, please share this video so that others will benefit. I'm going to show you how you are going to apply, and I will put link in this comment section after this video. I will quickly put the link so that it will be easy for all of you. What you will do for us is to just share this video, share it so that those that is eligible will know. Thank you. Hello wonderful people. Digital content executive job description. We are the multi-award winning, creative and innovative organization with high ambition in the fundraising and marketing arena. This is all about marketing arena in the social media. They are recruiting. It is unfortunate that it came up just this early morning. Then I want to do it very fast so that those that can upload their credential, those that can apply, still have little time to apply. I'm sorry that I'm bringing it so urgently. So this is the team fundraising and the communication. That is what we are going to do. And place, this is their office. Our office is in Kensington Town. This role is open to occasional home working. That is what you can work at home occasionally. Type, contract type, permanent. You see, contract type, permanent. This is permanent job. Hour, working hour, full time. You see, full time is 37.5 hours. This role is open to flexibility working, including compressed hour. This is the SECA. That is the payment is a 30,000 per annum. 30,000 per full-time equivalent. So your salary will be 30,000 pounds per year. Are you seeing that? Here you are going to read about them. You will see. I don't want this video to be very long, so I'm going to skip a lot of things, and it's left to you to read it. And the major thing here is the how to apply. Please download the application form here. This is where you will download the application form and submit completed application form and a recent copy of CV to this. This is where you will submit it by 11:59 p.m. on 28, which is today. Due to limited resources, we will contact only the shortlisted candidate. The interview will be held on 25/8. You see, today is 2025. Interview will be held. And here is your role. Look at your role. Please share this video so that many people will benefit from this video. It's urgent and it's due to time. I didn't check my mail. That's why I came up this morning to just do it very fast. Your role, look at the role, the main role, the communication and the content team is part of the fundraising engagement department at World Child, which focuses on non-traditional fundraising. So please, I will just put link in the comment section. Read it very fast. You see your responsibility This is your responsibility. Creating and executing social media plan in multiple channels and so on and so forth. They are many. Your job. You are experienced in using a web CMS, preferable Drupal. Iflia, look at it. Someone with a creative flair who is able to come up with new ideas and create relevant, compelling content. And read more, read more, read more, read more. You see? So, the important thing you will note here is that you have to submit your application today. You have little time. You have little time to submit your application. Those that are very fast and ready to do. So please submit your application in this before 11:49. That is before 12. 11:49 today. 11:49. Thank you for watching. Please share this video. Share it video so that people will benefit. Ndewono. Brothers and sisters, have you seen the job? Digital content executive. Please share this video. Share this video so that others will benefit. Anything you do to any brother or sister, that is God you do unto. Please do not be stingy. Help your brothers, help your sisters, so that God will bless you. God will bless you and bless you abundantly. I'm promising that I will be bringing many jobs to this our channel. Please keep eye, keep watching, and keep sharing. I will be bringing a lot of jobs from today onwards. You will be seeing a lot of jobs, even with sponsorship, with links and everything. We don't ask of any other things. What we asking is to share our video so that others will see and benefit, because we are here for the benefit of our people, so that our people will see and believe, and they will have opportunity, they will have job, they will have life, they will have greener pasture. Please share.